Mazumdar from Lexis and Company. Today we talk about the overview of right to information in India. First of all, what is right to information? Right to information, as the name suggests, is a basic human right of every citizen, as well as catalyst mechanism which constitutes a fair and efficient functioning of a country. The Right to Information Act 2005 is a milestone in the rights of citizens. It promotes accountability and transparency in government functioning. The democracy is government by the people, for the people, and to the people, in which, without accountability and transparency, the target could not be achieved. Now, what are the main root cause under this? First is booming corruption, second is failure of government schemes, and the third one is arbitrary act of government officials, and the fourth one is illegal trade practices, and the last one is lack of transparency. Now let us know about whistleblower. What is whistleblower? A whistleblower is a person who exposes any kind of information or activity that is deemed illegal, unethical, or not correct within a organization that is either private or public. With the passing of the whistleblower bill in India, it can aim in protecting the whistleblowers. Any further flaw in this can be changed through the amendments. In the last 5 years, some 150 whistleblowers have alleged being harassed or jailed by exposing corruption, while as many as 20 have been killed. Now, what are the major famous cases under this whistleblower? First one is Vibhishan case, second was is Satyendra Dubey case, third one is Shahmang Mahanjunath case, fourth one is Lalit Mehta case, and the last one is Rinku Singh Rahi case. Now, what are the major effective measures that we can take? Mandatory and immediate registration of complaint of threats, use of force or attack against RTI activist or FIR, and placing such FIR before the concerned magistrate judge for the area within the 24 hours. Now, conducting inquiry into the threats and attacks by a police officer not below the rank of Deputy Superintendent of Police and Assistant Commissioner of Police, and conclusion of such investigation within 90 days. Trial of the accused has been made. Now, what are the main things under this except these things? First, let us know about what are the inside and outside of the RTI. In the matter of concern that the protection of RTI activists lies inside or outside this umbrella. Under the truth in the current position on the security of the RTI activist is still miserable in India. Mr. Guru Prasad Shukla was the 39th person to lay down his life for exercising his right. Mr. Babbu Singh, Uttar Pradesh Police Home Guard, killed by Kadghar village in district of Uttar Pradesh. Now, what are the after these things? Let us know about the major suggestion under this. The secrecy of the identities of activities, and the lesson of the authorities, and the lessons of the RTI users, and the catalyst mechanism for protection, and to enact and amend the present laws is necessary. RTI can provide a strong support to democracy and promote good governance by empowering the citizens' ability to participate effectively and hold government officials accountable rather than just providing information. Thank you all. If any of the queries regarding this topic, then please let me know in the comments. Thank you so much.